Stanton River at Brookleo from this evening until late Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Monday, the stage was 23.2 feet. Flood stage is 23.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and will continue. The river will continue rising to near 25.6 feet flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest at 25.7 feet on February 24, 2019.
Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Roanoke Stanton River at Randolph from Tuesday morning until Thursday afternoon at 7 p.m. Monday. The stage was 18.1 feet. Flood stage is 24.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by Tuesday morning and continue to rise to near 25.9 feet by early Wednesday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Thursday morning. Impact at 25.0 feet. Water is several feet deep on portions of River Road and Black Walnut Road. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 26.1 feet on February 25, 2019. The National Weather Service in Black...
Yay, that was cool.
Additional weather information can be found at weather.gov/Washington or weathergovernor/...
Awesome. This radio was turned off the first time. God dang it, I should have it on. So it only has the one. But this has both of them.
Lows in the lower 40s.
Flood warning.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an
Flood
hour.
warning.
Gusts